Hey guys, welcome back to Brown from the BTN HD, and yes, another awesome unboxing, and it's another UniFi product. I know. I think the last two products unboxing that I did for you guys was the security gateway router and an 8-port PoE switch. Today is all about 16 ports. I'm super excited. Again, I am extremely new to the UniFi family. We picked this up for one of our tenants at my 9 to 5 job. And this one is the UniFi Switch 16 port, managed PoE Gigabit switch with 2 SFP ports. Okay. So we're going to do the unboxing. Unfortunately, I can't do a review on this particular switch because I need to get it up and running at my 9 to 5 job. It's one of those situations that I just don't have time to play with. I have to plug in a laptop so I could grab an IP from the DHCP, start configuring it, rack it up, and then deploy it. It's one of those in and out kind of situation things. So today is all about the unboxing. For those individuals that love unboxings, this video is for you. For those that just are gonna yell at me and say, "Oh, you're not doing this," look, I appreciate you watching the video. If not, just leave a thumbs down and whatever. So let's get down to the unboxing. All right, so I won't speed up my unboxing like I normally do for my unboxing videos, but typically I do like a first impressions and I have more information on it, But most likely there should be like stuff popping to the sides or in the lower thirds or whatever, giving you a rundown of what's what on this particular switch. Again, I am not a guru dealing with the UniFi lineup, but I am extremely excited to have this particular switch because the 8-port switch that I did an unboxing for you guys, it just works. It's so awesome. The graphical user interface that allows you to manage all your ports, plus the security gateway router, it just phenomenal. It's an awesome product. And the retail price for this one was around $288, so $290. I got it from B&H. So let's do take it out of here. I think the UniFi family lineup, their routers, their APs, their IP cameras, the price is just amazing and the products work. Every time I see one of the UniFi products, it's like, I feel like it's like an Apple product because of the color is white, right? And then the U is like silver, like the Apple symbol is like silver. So we got the brackets here. Definitely going to hook up the brackets on this particular guy. So that to the side. And again, for those individuals that love unboxing, that unboxing porn, this video is for you. We have a quick start guide. Very, very important to have. Make sure you read it. It gives you the rundown. I think on my first switch, I tried to do it manually and it was a disaster. So please read this. And the way that I'm going to manage my switch and my my security gateway router, I'm going to be using Cloud Key. UniFi has a Cloud Key that you're able to plug in and you're able to manage it on the fly anywhere. You don't need to be within the network to manage it. We got some screws here. These screws and these little brackets right here looks like for your rack. So I'm going to put this to the side. So I'm definitely going to rack this guy up. Awesome. We have a power cable. We got these little cushions for the bottom of the switch. Typically don't use those at all. Let's take this tight thing off the power cable. I'm not going to power this guy on. I think I did a Dell SG350X 24-port switch, layer 3 switch unboxing for you guys. I didn't power it on because it's always I always have that fear, like if you power this on, it's gonna corrupt or crash or something, right? Here goes the screws for the mounts. Lay this guy down real quick. Put this box to the side. Awesome. I am going to screw this guy in, so get it ready because like I told you guys, I need to start working on this ASAP. It's one of those mini projects that you have at the job and you need to just take care of it. So this is the bracket. Assuming I'm going to try to put it like this. Awesome. And then we're going to get our trusty toolkit right here. Let's get a Phillips screwdriver. Start setting ourselves up. There we go. Cool. All right, so let's take the first little screw, put it in here, screw this guy in real quick. It's like the easiest part when you're dealing with network switches. Just mounting a little bracket so you can hook it up to the LAN room. Hardest part is configuring it, right? Again, I'm not gonna start it up. I know you guys are cursing me out. This video is stupid. Look, man, I'm not gonna power it on and then I have to unplug it. I got that 50-50 chance when I plug it back in to configure it, it's not booting up. Why? Because something happened during the unboxing, right? If I start this guy up, I'm definitely going to want to configure it on the spot. And it's, you know, configuring switches, I like to stay focused. And like, I'm looking at it like, so, again, I'm not going to power it on, you know, I'm sorry. But I am going to screw everything in. I could do that as, you know, I could do that much with you guys. Then we could go over some of the ports and stuff on the front. All right, got 3 more screws to go. Bear with me. All right, we're all done. We have our brackets to rack it up within our LAN room. These are the screws, the special screws that you need. I'm definitely gonna have that to the side. Again, these little guys right here go in the bottom right here. Slap them here in each corner. Typically don't use this at all. Got your power cable. You're gonna take a look at the back side real quick. We have our console ports. We have 2 fans, and this is our power cable right here. As soon as you plug this guy up, it's gonna start up. So it's not one of those switches that has an additional off and on switch. So this is the reason why I do not want to power this guy on. On the front side, it looks kind of beautiful. 60 ports. Got all this real estate right here, which is okay. I'm assuming this right here lights up blue. Love that color, blue. And indication right here, it looks like off. Orange is PoE plus, and green is the 24 volts. On your upper, this little picture right here tells you that your upper right corner. Well, if I'm looking at this way, it's upper right. If you're looking at this way, it would be upper left side. Would be an indication that it is PoE, okay? Then you have your 16 ports, and the last 2 over here are your SFP1 and SFP2. Nice. Cool. And then all the way right here in the bottom is a reset. If both greens are up, that means you have a gigabit connection. If there's nothing lit up, that means you're down. I kind of like the fact that they give you that kind of legend indication of what's what. Right, that's awesome. Typically, you don't see that on a lot of switches. I think the switch is built for people that have the slightest clue of configuring switches. Again, guys, this is just an unboxing. I know a lot of you guys are super upset and cursing me out in the bottom at the comment section and giving me a bunch of thumb downs. Again, like I said, this is just an unboxing for those individuals that love unboxed porn. Go for it. Enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing only, and if you enjoy the video, hit that like button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.